Hello and welcome to the session on structure visualization tools. In this session, we will study about the different types of protein structure visualization tools such as RASMOLD, KIME, Swiss PDB Viewer, WebMold, MoldMold and CN3D. The structure visualization tool is required to view the structure that is encoded by atomic coordinate PDB files and to be able to manipulate the images to view the molecule from various perspectives. Without a proper tool, the PDB file will be read as a text file that lists each atom and its numerical coordinates in 3D space. Many tools have been developed to visualize the structure of a protein includes RASMOLD, KIME, Protein Explorer, Swiss PDB Viewer, WebMold, MoldMold and CN3D. They were developed based on different display capabilities such as display of sequence, finding pattern in sequence and structure, highlighting selected amino acids in the sequence in structure, highlighting selected amino acids in the structure in sequence, hydrogen bonds, hydrogen bond distance, disulfide bond, Ramachandran plot, different types of surfaces and different rendering styles of the protein structure. Protein visualization has become more popular, especially in light of the accomplishment of the Human Genome Project. The ability to visualize the 3D structure of proteins is critical in many areas like drug design, protein modeling. This is because that the 3D structure of a protein determines its interaction with other molecules, hence its function and the relation of protein to other non-proteins. Modern techniques of drug development make extensive use of computer-aided visualization of molecular properties. Reliable 3D atomic coordinates of molecules are essential for the success of structure-based rational drug design projects. There are many well-established ways of visualizing the 3D protein structures. Each way of visualization highlights a different aspect of the protein molecule. Growing number of new structure data in Protein Data Bank open new ways for collaboration, thus emphasizes the need for visualization tools that are portable. Moreover, studying the interaction between protein molecules may also require visualizing huge number of atoms. PDB www.rcsp.org/lpdb/ is a main primary database for 3D structures of macromolecules determined by X-ray crystallography and NMR. The PDB entries contain the atomic coordinates and some structural parameters connected with the atoms or computed from the structures, that is secondary structure. Those who want to look at one of these 3D data sets need additional software to visualize the structure file that is stored in the database. The PDB database is updated weekly. Likewise, the PDB holdings list is also updated weekly. As of 26 October 2016, the breakdown of current holdings is as follows. 1,334 structures in the PDB have a structure factor file. 8,944 structures have an NMR restraint file. 2,716 structures in the PDB have a chemical shifts file. 1,204 structures in the PDB have a 3DEM map file deposited in EM data bank. Different types of structure visualization tools. For visualizing the 3D structure of proteins, 7 free structure visualization tools are used. They are RASMOLD, www.umass.edu/microbio/RASMOLD by Sale and Milner White 1995. KIME, www.mdl.com/products/framework/KIME/ by MDL Information Systems Incorporated. Protein Explorer, www.proteinexplorer.org/ by March 2002. Swiss PDB Viewer, www.xpc.org/lspdbv by Kaplan and Littlejohn 2001. WebMold www.cmfarm.ucsf.edu/Walther/webmold by Walther 1997. Mold www.mold.biol.ethz.ch/Worthrich/software/mold by Corradi et al. L9961. CN3D www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/structure CN3D by Wang et al. 2000. The structure data files can be downloaded from the protein data bank www.rcsb.org/pdb and NCBI www.ncbi.nih.gov/structure/mmdb/mmdb.html. Functions of structure visualization tools. Structure visualization tools should display hydrogen bonds, hydrogen bond distance and Ramachandran plot because this information is useful in assessing the protein's secondary structure. It should display disulfide bonds. Disulfide bonds might join two peptide chains. An interchain disulfide bond or two regions of the same chain and intra-chain disulfide bridge. This bond is very important to the folding, structure and function of proteins. The presence of disulfide bond helps to maintain the tertiary structure of the protein. The softwares should also display molecular surface of protein because functions of protein depends on its molecular surface. SPDBV. Swiss PDB Viewer is an easy to use and powerful molecular modeling program which provides a user friendly interface allowing to analyze several proteins at the same time. The proteins can be superimposed in order to deduce structural alignments and compare their active sites or other relevant parts. It is a tool for viewing and manipulating protein structures and models and tightly linked to Swiss Model, an automated homology modeling server run by Geneva Biomedical Research Center. This program offers many advantages such as it can display several PDB files simultaneously and can align the structure of different homologous proteins. The alignment can be based on individual residues, the main chain or the entire proteins. RMS deviations of the aligned structures can be calculated. It can also be used in conjunction with computer programs available at XPC, that is Expert Protein Analysis System server in Geneva, Switzerland. A protein of non-primary sequence but unknown tertiary sequence can be submitted through SPDBV to XPC and by email. Homologous proteins of non-structures will be returned, which can serve as a guide to creating a modeling 3D structure of the unknown protein. For a given structure, new bonds, atoms, residues and loops can be added or removed. Surfaces, that is electrostatic or molecular, can be calculated. Energies can be calculated and minimized using the Gromov S96 force field and parameters. RasMold. RasMold developed by Roger Sale. It is a molecular graphics program which translates a PDB file into a picture of a biological molecule that can easily be manipulated and studied in real time. PDB files contain atomic coordinates from published structures of nucleic acids and proteins and are housed at the PDB. www.rcsp.org/pdb/index.html. RasMold represents a breakthrough in software-driven three-dimensional graphics, and its source code is a recommended study material for anyone interested in high performance 3-dimensional graphics. RASMOL treats PDB data with extreme caution and often recomputes information, making up for inconsistencies in the underlying database. It does not try to validate the chemical graph of sequences or structures encoded in PDB files. RASMOL does not perform internally either dictionary based standard residue validations or alignment of explicit and implicit sequences. It also is capable for reading MMCIF formatted 3-dimensional structure files and is thus the viewer of choice for such data. Other data elements encoded in PDB files such as disulfide bonds are recomputed based on rules of chemistry rather than validated. The strength of RASMOL are as follows. 1. It is free, that is shareware. 2. It is easy and quick. 3. It is relatively versatile, displaying macromolecular structures in multiple formats like CPK, cartoon ribbons, ball and stick, etc. 4. It is available for many different computing platforms. 5. It has a scripting language which is relatively easy to learn and use and can be very useful in making presentations, though the command line interface is a little cumbersome at times. WebMol. WebMol was designed to display and analyze structural information contained in the Brookhaven Protein Data Bank (PDB). It contains both a Java applet and a downloadable application. This structure visualization tool offers many tools including distance, angle, dihedral angle measurements, detection of steric conflicts, interactive Ramachandran plot. It is most compatible with most Java enabled browsers including Internet Explorer, Safari on Mac OS, Mozilla 1.6/Firefox on Linux, Red Hat 8.0. Features of the WebMol include wireframe representation of structures with full atomic detail, different color coding schemes such as atom type, secondary structure if defined in PDB, B factor and chain, side-by-side stereo view with adjustable separation of the images, mouse driven zoom, translate and drawing slab manipulations, selecting focus, that is setting point of rotation to a desired position, distance measurements, distance matrix plot and residue identity plot, Ramachandran plot, dot surface, numerical calculation of solvent accessible surface area. CN3D. CN3D is a visualization tool for biomolecular structures, sequences and sequence alignments. What sets CN3D apart from other software is its ability to correlate structure and sequence information. For example, a scientist can quickly find the residues in a crystal structure that correspond to non-disease mutations or conserved active site residues from a family of sequence homologs. CN3D displays structure alignments along with their structure based sequence alignments to emphasize what regions of a group of related proteins are most conserved in structure and sequence. Also included are custom labeling features, high quality OpenGL graphics and a variety of file exports that together make CN3D a powerful tool for literature annotation. CN3D is typically run from a www browser as a helper application for NCBI's ENTRIS system, but it can also be used as a standalone application. With version 4, CN3D is now a complete multiple alignment editor as well and includes algorithms for aligning sequences to other sequences and to structures. We can now create and even annotate multiple alignments. CN3D is used as the primary alignment curation tool for the CDD project. When a single structure is loaded into the CN3D, the sequence viewer shows the sequences of all protein and nucleic acid chains in the structure. The color of each residue is coordinated between the structure and sequence windows. Each letter of the sequence represents a residue in the structure and always adopts the color of the backbone's alpha carbon or phosphorus for nucleotides. even if shared chains are colored differently from backbone in the structure window. The most powerful application of the sequence window in CN3D is to allow easy correlation of residues in the sequence with atoms in the structure. This is accomplished by highlighting, just as with a text editor, click dragging the mouse across a region in the sequence window will cause the letters to light up and will apply the same highlight color to the corresponding atoms in the structure window. And the converse is true as well. Double clicking a residue in the structure window will cause it and the corresponding letter in the sequence window to light up. Thus, the user can quickly locate and highlight interesting parts of the protein from the sequence window like a cluster of active site residues. CN3D sequence window also functions as an alignment viewer when displaying more than one structure or a structure to which multiple sequences have been aligned. CN3D is available for Windows, Macintosh and various Unix platforms. Features of CN3D include it is developed by the NCBI. Open source binaries available www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/structure. Fast Open GL graphics. Annotation engines we can mark up a protein at the residue level. Can fetch a structure over the internet. Can display protein movies such as NMR ensembles and protein folding trajectories. Uses as MMDB files. Interests www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, tightly coupled with MMDB structure database. Retrieve using MMDB identifier, PDB identifier, conserved domain database, BLAST search, PubMed query, text search. VMD. VMD or Visual Molecular Dynamics is designed for the visualization and analysis of biological systems such as proteins, nucleic acid, lipid bilayer assemblies, etc. It may be used to view more general molecules as VMD can read standard protein data bank, that is PDB files and display the contained structure. VMD provides a wide variety of methods for rendering and coloring a molecule, symbol points and lines, CPK spheres and cylinders, licorice bonds, backbone tubes and ribbons, cartoon drawings and others. VMD can be used to animate and analyze the trajectory of a molecular dynamics, that is MD simulation. In particular, VMD can act as a graphical front end for an external MD program by displaying and animating a molecule undergoing simulation on a remote computer. It is available on the PC network, that is S drive, and we can display the results of molecular dynamics calculation using NAMD. NAMD is a molecular dynamics code that can be run on the PC network and possibly on the parallel cluster in the computer science department. We may use this program to run molecular dynamics simulations on selected molecular systems. The simulations will be viewed using VMD. NAMD is available on the S drive. MOLE. The structure visualization tool MOLE stands for Molecular Analysis and Molecule Display. This is also a free software with a lot of features that are not found in RASMOLE and KIME. MOLE is molecular graphic program for display, analysis and manipulation of three-dimensional structure of biological macromolecules with special emphasis on nuclear magnetic resonance, that is NMR, solution structures of proteins and nucleic acid. MOLE can be reached at www.mole.biol.eth/withreach/software/MOLE. Features include very sophisticated molecular rendering and manipulation package among the best graphics of all freeware, special focus on NMR compatibility, supports many calculation and floats, standalone version only, compatible on Win, Unix, nearly all. KIME. This is a program that allows visualization of molecules and molecular system using a web browser. The advantage of this program is that it is available as a free plugin for Internet Explorer from MDI Systems Incorporated. Its biggest use is in the creation of interactive web-based tutorials to explain structure, functional properties of molecules. Coordinates for proteins and nucleic acids, that is PDB format, can be obtained from the PDB and the molecule displayed using KIME. Molecules can be displayed in a variety of ways, including line, ball and stick, van der Waals, cartoon dot surface and electrostatic surfaces. A chief disadvantage is that the program cannot perform energy minimization and dynamic calculations. Features of KIME: among first PDB viewing programs with limited manipulation capacity, uses RASMOL for its backend source. View both large and small molecules. Browser plugin like PDF reader. Interesting from historical perspective, now mostly phased out. Different types of surfaces displayed by the software summarized in the following tables. Let me summarize the session. As the genome sequencing project proceeds, scientists have gained access to tremendous amounts of biological information. The information visualization techniques have become an attractive option for the field of bioinformatics. Researchers can see experimental results more clearly than by simply viewing raw numbers due to the difficulties inherent in understanding large quantities of data. Protein structure visualization software should locate the given pattern in the sequence and structure. Locating the given pattern can be used to look for specific sites such as active sites, glycosylation sites, etc. This might also be useful to compare the conformation of a specific motif in different structures to draw conclusions about its function. Now, you can try to answer the questions given here. 1. What are the different types of structure visualization tools? 2. Explain the role of structure visualization tools in protein structure determination. 3. Explain the role of structure visualization tools in protein structure prediction. 4. What is protein data bank, that is PDB. 5. Write a brief note on SPDBV. Hope that you may go through these references for further reading. Bioinformatics Concepts, Skills and Applications, written by S.C. Rastogi, Namita Metindrata, Parag Rastogi, published by CBS Publishers and Distributors, 1993, first edition. Understanding Bioinformatics, written by Marketa Zevelbil, Jeremy Aubon, published by Garland Science Publishers, 2008. Bioinformatics, Databases, Tools and Algorithms, written by Orpita Basu, Siminder Kaur Thukral, published by Oxford University Press, 2007. Thank you for watching this program. We can meet again with another topic soon. Have a nice day.